part one of Barrel Boat 2. The saga continues. We're gonna go get some barrels. And we're gonna build a boat out of them. And we're gonna put the boat in the water. And we're gonna try not to drown. Stay tuned. Hello, this is Wes S. And this is going to be the beginning of our next boat saga together. I have with me the star of this year's show. I have 4 identical 55-gallon drums. These are all out of HDPE plastic. They're weldable, which means they can be heated and pressed back together and form a bond. They are all the same shape. I should be able to build a roughly 8-foot boat with almost a 3-foot beam. We'll see. I did this last year out of 2 barrels that were not the same. I took a 33-gallon barrel and a 55-gallon barrel and made a kayak of sorts and was able to float it. That was mostly an experiment to see if this could happen. If I had the skill set and the brain power to make this happen. I've searched all over YouTube, and there are people making boat-like things out of these barrels, but I believe this is going to be the first time that I have seen anybody actually build a boat from these barrels and put it out there. An actual boat, not barrels bolted together with a piece of plywood on top of it, but an actual boat that will float. There's going to be 2 parts of this endeavor, if you will. There's going to be the part that I put public on YouTube, and then there's going to be a part that I put on my Patreon channel. The part on Patreon will be a lot more informative than the one on YouTube. You can probably pick up enough, well, a guy like me could pick up enough off of YouTube to build one of these. if I do it right, anybody could watch my Patreon videos and build one of these boats. Okay? Enough of the plug in there. That's what we're going to try to do. We're going to, there's not what we're going to try to do, because I'm not going to set myself up for failure. I'm going to say we're going to try to do something. We've decided we're going to do something and we're going to do it. I've got to cut them all and split them and try to keep a running commentary going while I work. How long and how in depth the future videos on the barrel build go. This last one was a barrel kayak. This one is going to be a barrel canoe. It takes a lot of time and energy to build something like this, and it takes a lot of time and energy to make the video. And 90% of my subscribers out there understand that, and you're like the best subscribers ever. Be patient. You're probably not going to get several a week, and you might get several towards the end of the deal. I would like to claim this as being an original idea, but it's not. There are cultures out there in the third world that use recycle stuff like this all the time. I can't find where they show how they do it. So that's what I'm trying to rediscover. That's what I'm going to try to bring you along with me to do, is rediscover how you take junk barrels and make a boat. A boat that you can use for your daily life. Fishing in, hauling produce in. These people in Vietnam that are making these things are fishing commercially out of these boats made with barrels. Get this out there. More people watch this kind of stuff, the more of this stuff I'm going to do. You know, this kind of stuff. And if I can get this done before springtime, we can go fishing.